Okie dokie. What we're going to talk about today in this episode of Google and the Geezer is, the first two things. Here in the States, Google started this thing called Project Pi, which is a phone provider. And let me see here. Of course, the minute I go, there we go. Everything's working fine. With their Nexus devices. Now, Project Pi as a internet service provider, or a way to get data and use data when on the road, uses both T-Mobile and Sprint here in the States, and they also provide service in 120 countries around the world. Now, if you go to YouTube or any of the forums, you're going to get more and more information than I'd be able to provide in a few minutes' time. And it also connects to wireless services, obviously around the world, and here in the States. Now, some places have more free Wi-Fi than other places, but where I look forward to trying this thing is when I land places like Dubai and elsewhere in the world. Like when I arrived here in the States a few weeks ago, I had no way to contact anybody, and whoever was waiting for me there in the airport, it was a real pain in the neck. And in airports, international airports, Dulles included, logging on to the free Wi-Fi can be a real pain in the ass, and also the service is pretty bad. But anyhow, what I suggest people, especially if you spend time in the United States, any amount of time, it's really handy because I can use both Hangouts, and when I have no signal, like in the basement apartment we're in right now, I can actually make a regular phone call using Hangouts to numbers throughout the States. The other thing about this Project Pi thing, if you are interested in the support, is really wonderful. If you contact them by email, every instance I've gotten a reply in a short time. And if I've done it by phone, I've got a call back almost straight away. And there's also, if you look here, here's where you are. Okay, here's the account and the basic app. And so far this month, I've used only a half a gigabyte because I've had Wi-Fi available most places, and I've only got 6 days left. Now, it's $10 per gig, but you don't pay in the plan I've got, which is basic $20 for the phone and $10 for gig. I prepay $30. Now, if I were to just go over that, it's all proportional. In other words, you're not really getting stuck. But here's my plan. I'm using my phone number and manage plan, manage card. There's also voicemail, call forwarding, and all this kind of stuff, but it's quite useful. Billing, and that's billing stuff, and here's the whole support page and everything else. But actually, the one thing about Project Pi here in the States is I'm quite pleased with it. I'm anxious to see what kind of service I'm going to get in Thailand. But for people who spend time in the States, I can, so far, 3 weeks into it, I'm really happy. I'm happy with the support. I'm happy with the coverage and all the other stuff. So what I'm going to talk about next time I do this is about the Nexus. I guess the name of the company is Huawei or something like that. Anyhow, more about that, the phone, and the whole experience next time. So you all take care. Bye.